Okay, so I got a little project going on here for a client. She's asked me to make her a gate for her porch. Okay, so the length of her gap is 3 feet. So I'm going to take a 1/2 inch off each side, which would be 1 inch under 3 feet. Now I'm going to be cutting these banister style, or barrister, whatever they call them, to 31.5 inches. Alright, so I pretty much built the gate now, and I've went downstairs and I found some hardware I had laying around, and I just kind of wire brushed it on my bench grinder, my wire wheel. And now I'm just going to paint them black and it'll look as good as new. Alright, so I just installed the new gate. It's looking pretty good. Now I just gotta take my palm sander there, clean up all the edges, and I'm done.